Hola! Today we're making a classic dessert for the ones with a sweet tooth. Spanish rice pudding, arroz con leche. So let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. First of all, we peel a lemon and we set the peel aside. After that, we wash the rice well. Then we pour the milk into the pot. We add some cinnamon sticks and our lemon peel. We boil for 15 minutes in order to infuse the milk and give this dessert a special touch. After boiling, we remove the cinnamon sticks and the lemon peel. We now add the rice. We start cooking on a high heat, and after it boils, we reduce the heat and continue cooking on a mid to low heat. We will cook the rice for about 1 hour in total. We now pour sugar, and we do this in the last 5 to 10 minutes of cooking. After adding sugar, it's important that we stir the rice non-stop, otherwise it may stick to the bottom. If you want, you can add a little more milk at the end to make the consistency a bit more liquid and not too thick. We leave our rice in the fridge to rest for a few hours until it's cool. I'm sprinkling a pinch of cinnamon on top, as it's customary. Time to taste our beautiful rice. Oops, I spilled a bit, but no worries. It's finger-licking delicious. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adiós.